An update now to a story we first brought you last night. It's breaking news at 11 o'clock. Amazon confirms an employee at one of its fulfillment centers in Baltimore has tested positive for COVID-19. Now, many local Amazon workers are concerned for their own health. WJZ is live right now. Rachel Mendenhall spoke to one woman who says she doesn't feel the company is taking enough precautions to protect its employees. Rachel.
Hi, Rick. Good evening. The employee we talked to says she was notified this morning that someone who works in this facility tested positive for the virus. She says thousands of people work inside this building, and while she goes to work every day, she says she's constantly concerned about exposure. This Amazon employee asked us to conceal her identity, but says she received a voicemail Tuesday morning alerting her that an employee at her Amazon fulfillment center was diagnosed with COVID-19.
It's scary because nobody wants to bring this home to their family.
In a statement to WJZ, Amazon says it's making employees aware of the positive test and asking anyone who had close contact with the person to quarantine at home for 14 days. Patients with COVID-19 or anyone placed on quarantine will receive 2 weeks of pay, and the facility has increased its cleaning and is promoting social distancing practices. But this employee who spoke anonymously to us says she hasn't been offered a face mask or any cleaning supplies to disinfect her workstation.
There's totes that travel through that entire building that go to every single part of that building. And who's to say the person that had the coronavirus touched that and it came right back upstairs to us.
Since Amazon has not ordered this employee to self-quarantine, if she decides to voluntarily stay home, she either has to use sick time or go unpaid.
I can't risk losing my house or losing my car or anything like that. It's hard.
Amazon says the person who tested positive for the virus hasn't been in the building for the last week, and it's adjusted many of its policies to protect its employees. For example, it no longer has large meetings, chairs and tables have been spread apart, and shift times have been staggered to promote social distancing. We're live in Baltimore County tonight. I'm Rachel Mendenhall for WJZ.